In NX, designers can use the Ansys Granta MI Materials Gateway to assign approved, up-to-date materials to their designs. Designers can find and assign materials using search tools or by browsing through available materials. Specific lists of materials to choose from can also be recommended to them. Once the assignments are made, a designer can export the NX model and materials assignments as a JT file. In HyperMesh, an analyst can open the JT file provided by the designer. On opening, the Ansys Granta MI Materials Gateway for HyperMesh will recognize that materials assignments have been made. The analyst can investigate what simulation records are available for each material. The default option is highlighted in bold. If the analyst wants to use the default simulation records and models for all assigned materials, they can import them all at once. The materials in the HyperMesh environment are updated and materials data is imported.